As more cases of pertussis are popping up in Missoula County, local health officials say staff are working more hours to keep up with the number of calls from worried parents. The Missoula City County Health Department says it has now confirmed 52 whooping cough cases. Pertussis cases have been confirmed in several Missoula County public schools, including Big Sky, Hellgate, and Sentinel High Schools. Whooping cough cases have also been reported in the Florence, Frenchtown, and Lolo school districts. The health department continues to work closely with schools to identify close contacts of confirmed cases. The health department is contacting people with instructions if you got to do something about this, or it will be sending home a note with your child. Health Department Immunization Clinic Manager Colleen Moore says they're getting lots of calls from worried parents. The department has asked part-time nurses to work full-time for the next couple of weeks to help handle this outbreak.
We would like to have a more timely response, and we understand that the public might be getting a little bit frustrated with not hearing directly from us or not being able to get a hold of an infectious disease nurse right away because they're out at the schools interviewing contacts.
Morris also says adults who've gotten the Tdap vaccine should not need a booster, and children can still get the vaccine at any time. You can call the department to check your records or get general information. That number is on your screen, 258-4770. There's also a page dedicated to pertussis information on their website, available all the time.